I drink water, I'm just running to the bathroom all day. And some people say, but Barb, if I drink water, my legs swell. Do you know what that tells me? The water is not getting inside the cell. So how do we help the water get into the cell? There are 4 vital elements needed for life. Third vital element needed for life is sodium. You think about it, we're salty people. Our tears are salty, our blood's salty. Baby swims in utero in salt water. Seawater. Let's have a look at the largest concentration of sodium we find in seawater. It has 92 minerals. 30% of those 92 minerals is sodium and 50% is chloride, approximately. And because they're the minerals in the largest amount, what man does is he scoops off the sodium chloride crystals, bleaches it white, puts aluminium with it, and comes up with table salt. And unfortunately, sometimes it's called sea salt. So be careful when they see sea salt. It contains how many minerals? 2. And these are such harsh minerals that if you were to inject them straight into the blood, the person would die. And if you mix a teaspoon of table salt with a cup of water, that amount, and fill up a whole tank and put the fish from the sea into that solution, they all die. So it's actually a dangerous salt. It's actually a poison. And when it goes into the body thinks it's getting all of those minerals, but it's not. It's just getting 2. And it causes an imbalance in and out of the cell. But the salt that we use is Celtic. And the Celtic salt, and it's called the Celtic salt because it's hand harvested by the traditional Celtic method. It's in Brittany, in France, 4.5 million acres of these beautiful salt flats. It's a bit more money than others because you're looking at a traditional hand harvested sea salt. So the Celtic salt, it contains 82 minerals. How come not 92? Some are in such pico proportions, barely measurable, that it's inevitable that a few are lost. And one of the values of the Celtic salt is that it contains 3 magnesiums. And that's why it's so moist, because magnesium is a water-hungry molecule. And that's why the true Celtic salt will always be wet. Because of the property of magnesium, that it's a water-hungry molecule, when you put that Celtic salt in your mouth and you crunch it and you release those minerals, the mucous membranes in your mouth absorb the minerals and it's taken to the cell. Then you have your water. The magnesium pulls the water inside the cell. It's the quickest way to hydrate a body.